Here we will see file handling in C#. For this, first we'll see what is file handling. A file is a collection of data and information. The operations performed on a file, like creation, reading the contents from the file, writing the contents to the file, and file appending, etc. are referred as file handling. When the file is open for reading and writing, it is called a stream. A stream is a way to transfer or process data continuously, often one piece at a time, instead of handling everything at once. Streams are commonly used in programming to read or write files, process data from networks, or handle input-output operations. There are two types of stream. One is input stream, which is used for reading data from a file, and output stream, which is used for writing data into the file. These two streams are handled by system.io namespace in C#, which consists of file structure and directory structure information. Mostly there are three basic operations are performed on a file. One is reading, which is a basic read operation where the data is going to be read from a file. Then writing. This operation is the basic write operation where the data is going to be written to a file. By default, all existing contents are removed from the file and new content is written into the file. And appending. This operation is same as write operation where the data is going to be written to a file. The only difference between write and append is that the existing data in the file will not be overwritten. With append, new data is going to be added at the end of the file. Next we'll see need for file handling. First is data persistent. Files are means of preserving data beyond the runtime of an application. They store configuration settings, user preferences, and application data, which allows information to persist between program executions. Then data sharing. Files are a universal way to share data between applications and systems. Whether it is sharing documents, images, or any other type of information, files provide a common and platform independent medium. Then configuration files. Many software applications depend on configuration files like XML or JSON to store settings that affect their behavior. File handling is crucial for reading and writing these files. Then logging and debugging. Files are often used to log events and errors in application, which helps developers to diagnose issues and track the behavior of a program over time. Data import-export. Files are commonly used to import data into applications or export data from them, which is especially important in scenarios like data analysis and reporting. Backup and recovery. File handling is vital for creating backups of critical data and restoring it in case of data loss or system failure. And cross-platform compatibility. Files provide a means of data exchange between different platforms and programming languages, which make them a universal method for data interchange.